In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and verify a domain in Mailgun. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, what to enter, and which settings to choose so your domain is set up cleanly and ready for verification. First, sign in to your Mailgun control panel. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the sending section, then select Domains. This is your central place for managing the domains you'll send email from. On this page, click Add New Domain to begin. In the form that appears, enter the domain you want to send from. A best practice is to use a dedicated subdomain, such as mg.yourdomain.com or mail.yourdomain.com, instead of your root domain. Using a subdomain keeps your transactional or marketing messages separate from everyday correspondence, which helps protect your main domain's reputation and typically improves deliverability. It also makes it easier to identify and manage email traffic specific to Mailgun. Next, choose your region, US or EU. Pick the location that best matches where most of your recipients are, or where your organization prefers to process data. Keeping sending operations close to your audience can reduce latency and help align with data residency requirements. If you're unsure, start with the region where most of your users live. You'll also see advanced options like DKIM authority and key length. Unless you have a specific policy or a security requirement from your organization, it's perfectly fine to leave these at their defaults. DKIM is a cryptographic signature that proves your emails come from you and haven't been altered, and Mailgun's default settings are designed to work reliably and securely for most senders. When everything looks good, click Add Domain. Mailgun will create the domain entry in your account and guide you through the remaining verification process right inside the dashboard. At this stage, expect to see clear prompts for what's needed to complete verification. Take a moment to read what's presented on screen and keep your control panel open as you proceed so you can refer back to the required details as needed. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Stick with a short, descriptive subdomain like MG for consistency across environments. Confirm you selected the correct region before proceeding, and give the dashboard a few moments to update after you add the domain. That's it for adding your domain in Mailgun. Follow the on-screen guidance to complete verification, and you'll be ready to send with confidence.